friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Casharee, and here on my channel you will find all things related to natural hair, protective hairstyles, nails, fashion, lifestyle, and just a bunch of other things I might be in the mood to post a video about. So if you're into that type of stuff, all things girly, go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a part of the Cashanista fam, okay? So today's video is all about taking out my boho locks. I've had these locks in for 2.5 months now, and I'm still loving them because y'all know the messier and older my boho locks get, the more I tend to like them because the messy look is everything. But it's time for me to wash my hair. Like, my scalp is itching and I need a good wash at this point, so they gotta come out. So I'm just going to show y'all the technique that I use to take out these locks. So pretty much all that I need, or all that I usually use, are scissors and a comb to just detangle my hair. That's pretty much it. So we'll just do this one since it's right here in the front. And this one is already like kind of loose, but I just start by snipping just the end because, you know, you want to make sure that you're not cutting your real hair. And I did crochet my hair up, so I know none of my real hair is that far on the end. So after I snip the ends, it's easy to kind of tug it a little bit, and I hold my hair at the scalp because I don't want to, you know, tug on my hair too much. And then once I do that, it loosens up the lock, and then I can kind of unravel at this point. So as you can see, I can separate the two pieces from where I held one piece and wrapped around. I can separate them and just kind of tug and unravel. So now this is now the part that I crocheted through. So I'm just gonna pull it all the way through to get it out. And then of course take out this twist slash braid I have going on. And voila. I'm gonna show y'all again because the thing about these locks is they can all be different to take down. Like, some might be super easy to take out while others could be a little more difficult. Like, it just varies pretty much because I don't know, just over times, I don't know why, but my experience with taking out my locks in the past, sometimes it'll take me a super long time to take them out, and then sometimes it won't. It just pretty much, like I said, it varies depending on the lock because they all end up looking differently. Like, this one is still wrapped pretty tight, whereas this one is super loose right there and the end is still tight. So I guess that's why they vary on, you know, how you take them down or how easy or how difficult it might be to get them out. But for the most part, it's never super hard. It just might take a little longer to unravel and untwist than others. But like this one, this one is still wrapped pretty good, right? So I'm just gonna do the same thing, clip the ends. Once I clip the end, I can easily tug it to start to unravel. So I just start tugging it to see where I can start to unravel. And now I see right there. So I'm just gonna try to separate the two like so, and just continue to unravel the whole thing by just pretty much twisting in the opposite direction. Okay, now this is the part that is at my roots, so I'm gonna just separate my hair And now I'm just gonna pull the braiding hair through to detach it and detangle my hair. Okay, see, here is a prime example of one that takes a little more effort to get out, because this is one where I went back over it and wrapped extra hair around, because I can't remember why. I'm like, maybe I didn't wrap it tight enough or it wasn't long enough, so I had to wrap extra hair around it, and it's tangled. Not my hair is tangled, but the braiding hair is tangled, and you know, it's hard to get out. My hair is up here. Let me find it. Here. I know my hair is here. So I know this is not my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut this, because it's no point to sit here and try to detangle that when it's just the braiding hair. So that's what I mean when I say some parts may be easier to cut out than others, or some locks may be easier to get out than others because of instances like that. Like again, it's tangled here, right? It's too much. That's too much to try to get out. But I know this is my real hair. This is not. This is straight braiding hair. So I'm just going to cut this. And work on unraveling this. So now I'm at the base, so I'm just going to separate my hair from the braiding hair on the other side and pull this through to detach. So yeah, so that's just what I mean when I say some locks will be easy breezy, snip, unravel, done, and other ones you might have to cut a little more, but just make sure that you are eyeing and can easily tell where your real hair is, and it makes sure that it's separate from the part that you're cutting, because of course we're not trying to cut our real hair in the process. Like, nobody wants that. So I'm just going to continue on and get these locks out as quickly as possible, and I will be back. Okay, I'm finally finished taking out all these lots. It took me so long. It took me like 2 hours. What time is it? Yeah, it took me like 2 hours to get all these locks out. Pretty long. But yeah, so I'm just about to go and wash my hair. I wanted to do a twist out, but it's way too late to try to do a twist out, so I'm just gonna have to slick this hair on back and thug it out like that. So I'm about to finish this whole routine for my hair, and I will catch y'all in the next video.